Election. 15. 14. 13. No. 11. Election po, election. Election. Pag-time na. Election. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Freeze! Ay, wow, Koreahingo. Dito. Ano ba dyan? Parang tao na lang dyan. Dito. Ah, wow, in fairness. Parang impact sila ng pagkakaisa. Wow. Wait lang matanong ko lang, ipin po ba kayo? Parang gusto mo manalo. Group 1! Group 2! Group 3! Group 4! Group 4! So, 0, 2, 0, 1. 0, 2, sorry. Alright. For the way for Group 2 and Group 4, give me a picture of a wedding. Wedding. Aside. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, please. But before that, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of our congressman, who's honorable Sir Tom Gonzalez. A round of applause for Mr. Tom Gonzalez. Thank you so much for being here, Congressman. Alright, please, wedding. Kinakasal, abay, pare. Ikaw na naman sa Jesus. Kuya, ano ko ba? Magilabot ka na. Pare. Alam na, sa pare. Tapos ano ka dyan? Maid of honor. Pare, maid of honor. Wow, isa agad. Ate, gutom ka ba? O dito. Ay, in fairness, sige, tingnan natin na. Group 1! Group 2! Group 3!